Think and Grow Rich for Women, Using Your Power to Create Success and Significance, by Sharon Lechter tailors Napoleon Hill's classic principles to women's unique experiences and challenges. Here are 10 key lessons from the book. 1. Define your own success. Success is subjective and personal. Women should define what success means to them based on their values, desires, and goals rather than societal expectations. 2. Harness the power of the mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded, supportive individuals who can provide advice, encouragement, and new perspectives. Building a strong network is crucial for personal and professional growth. 3. Embrace self-confidence. Confidence is essential for achieving success. Believe in your abilities, take calculated risks, and don't let fear of failure hold you back. 4. Maintain a positive mental attitude. A positive mindset can overcome obstacles and attract opportunities. Focus on solutions rather than problems and maintain optimism even in challenging times. 5. Set clear, specific goals. Clear, specific goals provide direction and motivation. Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them, breaking them into manageable steps. 6. Develop resilience. Resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks. Learn from failures, adapt to changes, and keep moving forward despite obstacles. 7. Leverage your unique strengths. Identify and leverage your unique strengths and talents. Embrace your individuality and use it to differentiate yourself in your personal and professional endeavors. 8. Create work-life harmony. Strive for work-life harmony rather than balance. Integrate your personal and professional lives in a way that aligns with your values and priorities, allowing you to thrive in both areas. 9. Practice gratitude and giving. Gratitude enhances your perspective and well-being. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the positives in your life. Giving back to others can also bring fulfillment and create a positive impact. 10. Seek continuous improvement. Never stop learning and growing. Continuously seek opportunities for self-improvement, whether through education, skill development, or personal growth activities. These lessons from Think and Grow Rich for Women encourage women to define their own paths to success, embrace their strengths, and maintain a positive and resilient mindset while pursuing their goals.